Welcome back, dear students. Myself Santoshi teacher. Today we will start new lesson, that is lesson number 7, motion, force and work of standard 7. This is our first part. Let's have recall. See in the picture, horse is running, cow is grazing, man is pulling the cart. So all the things in the picture are in motion. So what is motion? What is meant by motion and what causes a change in motion? Displacement of an object from one place to another is called a motion of that object. Here displacement means place change. Displacement of an object from one place to another is called a motion of that object. What causes a change in motion? Motion of an object changes when a force acts on it. It means force is responsible to change a motion. So we can answer motion of an object changes when a force acts on it. Let's take one example. See first point, distance and displacement. With this example you can understand this concept, distance and displacement. You can clearly observe the difference between distance and displacement. Let's start. Rajesh is at point A, right? And he wants to go to his house which is at point D. So Rajesh travels a distance AB to BC, then BC to CD. So distance traversed by Rajesh is AB plus BC plus CD, that is 300 meter plus 700 meter plus 500 meter. So total distance traversed by Rajesh in this case is 1500 meter. But displacement of Rajesh from point A to D is 1000 meter because the displacement is the minimum distance from starting point to ending point along a straight line. So displacement of Rajesh is 1000 meter. See this concept, distance. Distance traversed by Rajesh AB plus BC plus CD is equal to 300 meter plus 700 meter plus 500 meter is equal to 1500 meter. This is the distance traversed by Rajesh. Then displacement. What we have seen? Displacement of Rajesh is from A to point D. So it is 1000 meter. AD is the minimum distance along a straight line from point A to D, which is his house. Distance. The length of the route actually traversed by a moving body, irrespective of the direction, is called distance. Actually length which is traversed irrespective of the direction is called distance. In distance the direction is not taken into account, means we will not consider the direction, any direction, but actually distance traversed. So distance is a scalar quantity. Distance traversed by Rajesh is equal to AB plus BC plus CD. So distance traversed by Rajesh is equal to 300 plus 700 plus 500 meter, means 1500 meter. See the displacement. The minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called displacement. AD is the minimum distance along a straight line from point A to his house D. So displacement of Rajesh is equal to AD is equal to 1000 meter. In displacement, both distance and direction are taken into account. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. The unit of measurement of distance and displacement is meter in SI system, also in MKS system. Children, you understood the difference between the distance and displacement? In distance only we will consider a distance, total distance towers, irrespective with their direction. Means we will not consider direction, but in displacement both distance and direction we will consider. Speed. What is meant by speed? Speed means the distance traversed by an object in unit time is called the speed of that object. What is the formula for calculating speed? Formula for calculating speed is equal to distance traversed upon total time. See children, suppose when we say that the speed of a car is 40 km per hour, there is no need to specify the direction. So it is scalar quantity. Children, in the last chapter we learned scalar quantity and vector quantity. Scalar quantity means a quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone is called a scalar quantity, means value with unit. It means here which one value is there, 40 and kilometer. So 40 kilometer in my example I given. So 40 is the value and unit is kilometer. So only this is sufficient to explain the speed. So speed is a scalar quantity, only value with unit, means only magnitude. No need to express the direction or no need to specify the direction. So it is called a scalar quantity. When speed is taken into account, the direction is not specified. Therefore, speed is a scalar quantity. The unit of measurement of speed is meter per second. Now take one example, children. Suppose one car cover a distance that is 100 km in 2 hours. So calculate the speed. I will explain you how we will calculate. Listen. So here speed is equal to distance traversed upon total time. Now I told distance traversed how many kilometers? 100 km. Total time 2 hours. So 100 divided by 2. Yes, 50. So answer is 50 km per hour. So we can say that the speed of a car is 50 km per hour. In this way we can calculate the speed. Velocity. The velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time is called the velocity of that object. See the difference. Here also distance traversed, but in a specific direction. Here you have to mention the direction. So formula for calculating velocity is equal to displacement upon period of time required for displacement. Displacement means distance covered or traversed in one direction. So velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Velocity is a vector quantity. Vector quantity, what we learn? We learn the quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both given is called a vector quantity. Suppose if you want to explain the velocity, we can tell 20 km towards the north. Example we can tell like this. So here we specify the direction 20 kilometer towards the north. So velocity is a vector quantity, means both the things are required, magnitude and direction. The unit of measurement of velocity is meter per second. We learn already velocity and speed. With the help of this example, we can understand actual what is difference between the velocity and speed. In the last figure or diagram, we already learned what is distance and displacement. Same diagram. In the diagram, the actual distance traversed by Ranjit from home to school is equal to AB plus BC plus CD. So, it's equal to 500 meter plus 700 meter plus 300 meter is equal to 1500 meter. What it is? Distance. Total time from home to school 8 minutes plus 11 plus 6 minutes. So, total 25 minutes. Ranjit displacement from home to school. It is given in the diagram that from point A to point D is equal to 1000 meters. Actually, we learn what is displacement, the minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point. So, that points are A to D is already given 1000 meters and distance 1500 meters, displacement 1000 meters. Is it clear? Okay, now next thing. Thus, Ranjit's velocity when going from home to school. So, velocity is equal to displacement upon total time. This is the formula we have seen. So, displacement 1000 meters and time is 25 minutes. Let's calculate. See, we will do the cancellation. 25 ones are 25, 25 4s are 100 and 1 0. So, we got 40 meters in 1 minute. Now, everyone know 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay. Now, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, here we converted 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Means 40 meters in 60 seconds. Is it clear? We found 40 meters in 1 minute. So, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So, 40 meters upon 60 seconds. Now, next thing, if 40 meters in 60 seconds, then how many meters in 1 seconds? We will calculate. 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel. We got 4 upon 6. So, we will do the dividation. So, we can calculate with the help of this that how many meters in 1 seconds. 6. Okay. 6. So, we will take 1 decimal point. Here it become 40. 6 6 are 36. What we got? 4. Again 4. Okay. Now, 6 6 are 36. Okay. Till 2 decimal points need to be find out. So, 0.66 meters in 1 seconds. Okay. You got the answer? 0.66 meters in 1 second. This is the velocity. Let's clear. Now, Ranjit's speed while going to school. We already calculated velocity. Now, we will find out speed. Then only we can understand the difference. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So, distance, total distance cover 1500 meters. And how many minutes? 25 minutes. Same way. 25 ones are 25. 25 6 are 150 and 1 0. So, we got 60 meters in 1 minute. 1 minute again convert into 60 seconds. It means 60 meters in 60 seconds. So try to find out if 60 meters in 60 seconds means how many meters in 1 second. Very simple. 60 ones are 60 and 60 ones are 60. So 1 meter in 1 seconds. So answer is 1 meter in 1 second. This is the speed. 1 meter in 1 second. And let's find out velocity is different. 0.66 meter in second. So children, you got what is the difference between velocity and speed? Okay, Ranjit did not take the straight route of minimum distance, right? Means AD while going to school. Therefore, the magnitude of his velocity and speed came out to be different. Had Ranjit actually gone by the straight route, that is AD, then the magnitude of his velocity and speed would have been the same.